Hello students, welcome to Get Me Classes. So question here says when are oospores, ascospore and basidiospore formed in fungal hyphae? So in fungus, in kingdom fungi, we have hyphae like structure. These are thread like network structures and they give rise to spores. These spores can be of two types. Either they can be asexual spores that include only one parent, or either they can be sexual spores, means involvement of two parents. Two parents are there in sexual spore and only one parent is there in asexual spore. So two parent, they involve in a process of fertilization and through fertilization they give rise to zygote. So in that spore, in spores which are of sexual in nature, they are in a type of gametes. So in the term of gametes, they behave like the sexual gametes. So fertilization give rise to zygote, and in this zygote formation, gametes are there which are in form of spores in sexual reproduction. Whereas in asexual reproduction, they directly give rise to the new generation without any fertilization. So these example which is given to us, oospore, ascospore, basidiospore, these are example of sexual spore. You can give a hint from here. So this oospore, these are spores which are behaving like gametes in sexual reproduction. Other other type of spores such as conidia, example conidia, these are example of asexual spores and they directly give rise to the next generation and they are involved in asexual reproduction. So let's just take a look at our option, what the option says. Option says these are used in vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is a type of reproduction where there is no sexual gametes involved and they can be of variety of types, such as it can be budding, it can be fragmentation, or it can be fission and similar like that. So in which the body does not include sexual organ or sexual gametes, those are vegetative parts, so vegetative reproduction. Asexual reproduction where there is only one parent in the body. So that one parent will give rise to spores, those spores will be giving rise to the next generation. C option, sexual reproduction. We have talked about that in detail. In sexual reproduction, there are two gametes, male and female. So these male and female gametes, they come together and they give rise to a zygote via fertilization. And then D option says that none of the above is correct. So out of all our options, since these spores, they were behaving like gametes in reproduction and giving rise to the next generation, and gamete formation is there in sexual reproduction, so the most appropriate answer will be C option, that is sexual reproduction. Also option C is the correct answer.